I am going to share a sample of a thesis defense presentation, which will be helpful for research scholars to understand the length, content, and format of a research PowerPoint. This is the first slide. It is designed to create a good opening impression. This is the topic of this presentation. The independent variable is physical activity. The dependent variables are perceived stress and well-being. Here is the outline of this presentation. This PowerPoint covers all these main headings. This is the background of the presentation. It moves from general to specific, and explains the significance and importance of the topic. Use this animation button to make these animations used in this PowerPoint. This is the rationale of the topic. It explains why this topic has been chosen. Rationale continued. This topic is connected with these SDGs. These are the objectives of my study. These are research hypotheses of this study. This is the methodology. Please check the subheadings under it. This is the inclusion criteria under methodology. And this is the exclusion criteria. This slide shows the details of the data collection tool and the data analysis, under methodology. This slide presents the ethical considerations of my study. These are the results slides. They should be to the point and smart. Avoid overcrowded slides for a better presentation. This slide is representing distribution of age under results. Ethnicity distribution of participants. Education level of participants under results. This is summary table of socio-demographic characteristics of participants. This slide is about physical activity distribution. And this about distribution of stress levels. And mental well-being levels. And this slide is about correlation between physical activity and perceived stress. And this about correlation between physical activity and well-being. This is the discussion slide, where I explain and interpret the results of my study. This slide presents the recommendations based on study findings. The limitations of study. The conclusion of study. And this slide presents the acknowledgement of study. This slide shows the references. I hope this presentation will be helpful for scholars to get idea about the length, material and format of a research PowerPoint. Thank you. For any suggestions, comment below.